Today we're going to be trading, HFX, high frequency, binary trading, that good stuff. Today we're going to be trading that. If you don't know what it is, I'm going to do like a brief explanation, but not like a whole informational, but pretty much the same as Forex. You can buy and you can sell, but it does not matter how many pips it goes up. And then you also have a time frame, and you know exactly how much you're risking and how much you'll be getting out. We have time frames right here. You can get in a trade for a minute, 2 minutes, 3 minutes, whatever. And then this is how where you put how much you want to risk. I'm going to do $1 because I want to do an example. Okay. And then profit, this is going to tell you how much you're going to be making off that trade. It says 84 cents because this is Euro USD. If we go to Euro USD, you see how it says 84%. So that percentage is how much you're making per trade or per whatever you risk, right? 84%. So with this, we are risking $1 to make 84 cents, which is 84% of $1. So I have the option to call. I have the option to put, meaning sell. So I'm meaning for a 1 minute time frame. I'm gonna do like a fake, I'm just gonna get in for a buy, which is a call. So now you guys see this pink line that just popped up. So this is telling me this is my entry. I said pink line, green line. This green line that popped up, this is my entry. Let me zoom it out a little bit. This is my entry. So this is where my time expires. And this is, this line is the market moving and stuff, right? So I got in for a buy, which is a call, for 1 minute, and I'm risking $1. So meaning when that 1 minute expires, I need to make sure this line that's fluctuating and moving, I need to make sure by 1 minute, it literally has to be above my entry. It does not matter where. It could be all the way up here. It could be literally right there. It does not matter. It just has to be above my entry, and I will win this trade, right? I will make money from this trade. Let's see. It's looking like, I'm in profit right now. Okay. So I definitely won that trade. Y'all see that? I made $1.70. They finessed me because I was really supposed to make $1.84. Okay, so now let's get into the goods of the strategy and, So depending on your broker, I don't know where you're going to find it or whatever, but I'm doing try find wherever it is. So we're going to change it to the candle chart, and we're going to basically add indicators to it. Real quick, I don't like this dark background, so I'm going to change my background to white. By the way, what's I going to say? Anybody knows, because every time I do this, I have to redo everything every time I get on my thing. If anybody knows how to save, because trust me, I didn't try to look for it. If you know how to save this, so when I come back, I don't have to, look for it anymore. So now you're going to go to indicators on whatever broker you have, find indicators, and then just type MA. We're looking for moving average right there. You're going to click it 3 times. 1, 2, 3. And then now you're going to search for MACD, MACD. Click that 1 time, exit out. Okay, so the first MA, change that to 6. Oops. Change that to 6. The color should be blue. If your color is not blue, go ahead and change it to blue, right? Second MA is going to be 14. This color is going to be red. This color is going to be red. And then this third MA, this color, you can change this color to whatever you want. I like pink, and then make sure you amp it some more, like give it more volume, I guess. I'm gonna change this to 26, and then okay. All right, that's pretty much it. You don't have to do nothing with the MACD. I'm gonna explain this to my understanding and how I feel like it's easier to understand for me. Red is sell, blue is buy. Okay. So if they cross, because we are going to be looking for crosses, if the red and the blue cross, and then we see red is on top of the blue, then we're going to be selling. If they cross, like right here, and blue is on top of red, then we're buying. Okay. So I'm going to give an example from right here, right here. So we can see a cross right here, and the red is on top of the blue. So I know I'm looking for a sell, right? This pink line basically justifies if you should get in the trade or not. For this instance right here where it happened for a sell, my pink line has to be below the blue and the red. So that, double confirms it. And then next, my MACDs. I need to make sure whatever cross happened up here, it's the same thing that happened with my MACDs. And then I will be fully justified to get in for the sell. Okay, let's look at the buy. Right here, they cross for a buy. So it's literally going to be the opposite of what you're looking for with a sell. Literally. So it crossed for a buy. Blue is now on top of red. I know I'm looking for a buy. Blue is now on top of red. Next, my pink line. If I'm looking for a sell and pink has to be below, then if I'm looking for a buy, pink has to be above. So we can see this pink line is above the cross. The cross happened right here. This pink line is above. Double confirms the buy, right? Next, I need to make sure my MACDs are doing the exact same thing. If I look at my MACDs, blue, the cross happened and blue is on top of the red. Guess what? Now I'm getting in for a buy. Now I am getting in for a buy. I also want to say this is actually a 2-minute strategy. So it's supposed to be a 2-minute strategy, but my broker does not offer a 2-minute time frame. You're supposed to be on a 2-minute chart. My broker does not offer a 2-minute time frame, so I use the 1-minute time frame and I get in for 1 minute. But if you was using the 2-minute, time frame, you would be getting in for 2 minutes if your broker has it. And I will say this has been 95% accurate for me. Okay, so we missed this trade right here. You see how everything happened? We missed this trade. Actually, we fake didn't. I'm gonna get in because I like how it's shooting up. Like the MACDs are shooting up. If they were like kind of like slanted, like just leveled up, I would not get in. But I know, and I also feel like it's probably gonna shoot up to the last previous high. Like I look at this how I look at Forex. We're in profit. Dang, look like we're barely in profit. Anyways, let's watch it. Let's watch it. Let's watch it. I'm gonna zoom in. And you can see from the bottom right here. Oh, no! Okay, that hit my entry. See how the payout, the amount risk was $10 and the payout was $10? That pretty much just means it hit my entry. So I didn't lose that trade. That rarely happens, by the way, that hitting your entry thing. I'm currently in this trade right here. And my mom had walked in, so I couldn't even show you guys. But I got in for a sell because the cross happened right here, and then there was a cross right here, and I got in for a sell. And if you guys can see, we're currently in profit, right? Currently in profit. I do want to say, I had already recorded this video. I was trading, okay, I just won this trade. So I got $17. You see that? I reached $10, I made $17. And was like I was saying, I was trading like an hour before this, and I actually thought I was recording, but it wasn't recording. So the best times to trade this is, I actually got this from the person that I actually learned this from too. So he says 1500 GMT, 1600 GMT, 1900 GMT, 20 GMT, 21 GMT. So I don't know what times GMT is. What I usually do is I just look it up, Google, what time is it GMT right now? Let me refresh this. Actually, let's just look it up again. What time is it GMT right now? It's 5:23 p.m., which is 1723 basically. So this is not part of it, right? It's not part of it. When I was actually trading, which is an hour ago, it was 1600 GMT. Let me tell you, I won like all my trades. Now let's try and find some more trades. This is looking like it's getting ready to sell. USD JPY, I'm gonna come back and look at that. Okay, this just sold. So put for 1 minute. It's just not moving. Okay, we're back in profit. Okay, so it hit my entry again, but I don't even see a good amount of setups. Let's look at your USD. Like, it's just so weird. I've been crossed. I'm gonna just get in because I see some really strong sell candles. Of course, you're gonna stop buying. Okay, so I won this trade. Should we? Gangsta. Sometimes I want to be risky. Sometimes, you know. Let's see. Well, I should just drop. What I say? Am I still in profit? Oh, I'm still in profit. Oh, we made money. I won that trade. Yeah, that was some risky trading, but you know, made some coins or whatever. Anyways, that's pretty much it for today, guys. So thank you so much for your support. Funny enough, my highest paid videos are my trading videos. So thank you guys. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe.